It's common to feel tightness in the pelvic and hip area past age 50. There are simple movements that you can do. I'm going to show you two of which that I often do to ease any tightness that build up daily. Over time, you will feel a big difference. So stand with your legs straight, wider than hip width apart, and start to circle your pelvis around from the side to the front, to the side, and to the back. Keep your legs as straight as possible and doing it slowly. We are bringing the hips to an extension as we bring the pelvis to the front, and hips to a flexion as we bring it to the back. Go around and feel the freedom slowly unfolding in your pelvic area. If we do it fast, it will not have the same effect. Go through the joints, feel any sticky bits, and try to go around in full circle. Reverse the direction if you feel ready. Feel it in your body and move accordingly, just as long as you keep the circle moving in a full range and equally on all sides. You can do this movement every day. It will definitely ease the tightness that we accumulate throughout the day and maintain hip and pelvic freedom. You can also repeat this for as many times as you like. The number of times I'm showing you in this video is just a guide. So do what your body tells you to do as long as you are comfortable doing it. We shall repeat one more set, shall we? Let's circle back to the first side here, going through every nooks and crannies of our pelvic and hip joints. See if you feel more freedom of movement this time, more ease. Is your body liking it more? Doing it slowly and see which part feels tighter. Reverse the direction again and going through the same motion slowly. I'm going to show you the next movement from the side. You're going to bend one knee and spiral your spine to the side of the straight leg. So if you are bending the left knee, spiral your spine to the right side and bend your right knee, spiral your spine to the left. Note that only one leg is bent and keep the other leg that's spiraling towards absolutely straight if you can. This will help us to lengthen the entire postural chain of the straight leg. If your hands haven't yet touched the floor, try to reach it lower, and when we finally touch the floor, the bend will be so deep and the release will be so deep and the spiraling will be more pronounced. All that will feel so good. Because when we spiral the spine, we are also spiraling the pelvis, giving it a deep ringing, like ringing of the towel, that only spiraling and rotational movements can do. Now, if you like, you can deepen the spiral, bring your body down, bend your knee, and start to extend your arm up, looking to your fingers that is pointing towards the sky here. Do this option only if you feel absolutely comfortable. You don't have to. This is additional for you to deepen your spiral. And if it feels good, you can continue doing this option. If not, take it at your own time. With that, I'm going to wrap up this video. Just 2 movements and different options for you to work with. Let me know in the comment section below how you like this way of presenting mobility moves to you. Just focus on 2 or 3 very simple moves, repeat it and explain it in greater detail. If it helps, let me know. With that, keep moving, keep getting better, because our body loves it when we move. We're born to move. Like and subscribe. I would appreciate it very much. It will help me to grow my channel. And I'll see you again very soon in the next video.